Alright class, welcome to the video on tools in Geogebra. Customized tools in Geogebra will help expedite constructions. Let's say that you want to construct a pentagon given a side. So what the tool will do is that you click on the tool and then you click on 2 points to make the side of a pentagon, and the tool will construct the rest of the pentagon for you according to how you constructed it. And so they're very useful for doing things quickly. And let's go ahead and see how they work. What we have here is a menu on tools. Okay? So we click on tools and we want to create a new tool. We need output objects, names, and icons. Okay? So it will select the output objects first, which means that we want to select first what we want the tool to end up having when we're done with it. The input objects are actually automatically generated based off of the first part of your tool, whether it be a segment or a circle. Name and icon you can fix. We'll just change the names and not worry about the icons. Alright, so we need to have some sort of construction already made to do our tool. So we'll cancel that and we'll do our construction. Let's do the tool for an equilateral triangle given a side. So first we're going to do the construction for equilateral triangle given our segment here. And I'm going to use the labels. Show label point A, show label point B. Okay, so since I'm going to construct my triangle above this segment, I'll put my labels down below. Again, we need to get this point up here. So we're going to use circles to help us because this point needs to be the same distance from A to C and from B to C. That will be point C here. So use our circle tool. Click once on the center for that point A. Drag the tool out to B and click again. And then we got that first part somewhere along this edge here, the circle. So to know, we're going to construct another circle from B out to A. And that intersection here is our point C, which will show that label. And that will get a point here. The triangle is constructed of segments, so we need to construct these segments here from A to B, B to C. I'm going to show, hide these circles and show the labels of the segments so you can see what they are on our tool. Okay, so we have these 3 points. We need A, B, and C to be outputted. We need these segments to be outputted. So this is called segment G. So we'll show our label there. Okay, segment G. We've also constructed this segment H. Okay, so there's H. And we also constructed this segment F. Okay, so segment F. Our triangle has 3 points and 3 segments. A and B are the input points because those are the ones that had created the circle. And so we have those have to be the inputs. We'll double check that on our tool creation to make sure that those are the inputs. What we need to output is segment F, G, and H, and then point C. So we're going to go to our tools. We'll create a new tool. And let's just double check things. The output objects from our construction, everything that is there, has, we can select the objects from this list. So they're all right here. We have our circles that we created, our point, and our 3 segments. We will want the 3 segments and we'll want the point. Okay. Points A and B are going to be input objects again, and so they're already going to be on there. So let's click on each of these. We want segment F, G, and H, and point C. Those are going to be our output objects. When we're done with the tool, we're going to put them out. We'll output them. Next, we're going to go to next, and then we have the input objects to double check that point A and B are the input objects, which is true. And we do next for a name and an icon. The tool name will be equilateral triangle given a side. Okay. And the icon will just be the tool wrench, and we click on Finish. Hopefully we'll have the new tool created successfully dialog box. So we click on OK. And our tool is actually placed in a new menu spot. Okay. What we need to do is we need to click on our tool, and then we need to double check to make sure that our construction is good by doing various triangles, okay, in different configurations. So when I click once on the tool, it does our input objects. It'll do our input objects in sequence. So we have point A and point B as input objects. So here's our point A, and here's our point B. Okay. And so here's our triangle. Okay, so we can do more triangles. Okay, so we check it. We do lots of configurations. It looks like our triangles worked. Okay, so we have our triangle tool.